Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on OPPO Find Neo 3. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome, then click on this three dots or arrow pointing up in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Here enter Password Manager and enable Save Passwords. If you go back and try to log into any website, in this case I'm going to go for a Facebook. And click on Login. We have this pop-up which says to save the password. We're gonna save it and go back to the password manager the same way through the settings, and here's password manager. Now there's a new thing underneath. There's passwords and a Facebook that we just saved. If you click on it, you can now edit the username or password. In case you forgot your password, you can click on this I button, and if you have a lock screen set on your device, you'll be able to preview it. There's also option to delete this password by clicking on the bin button, just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.